Sweet Vermicelli Seviyan recipe. 1 cup Vermicelli Seviyan. 2 tablespoons clarified butter or unsalted butter. 2 cups milk. 1/2 cup sugar adjust to taste. 1/4 cup chopped nuts such as almonds, cashews, and pistachios. 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder. 1 tablespoon raisins optional. Saffron strands for garnish optional. 1. Heat ghee or butter in a large pan or skillet over medium heat. Add the vermicelli and roast it until it turns golden brown and fragrant, stirring constantly to prevent burning. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. 2. Once the vermicelli is evenly browned, add the chopped nuts to the pan and continue to roast for another 2 to 3 minutes, until the nuts are lightly toasted. 3. In the meantime, heat the milk in a separate saucepan over medium heat until it comes to a simmer. 4. Pour the hot milk over the roasted vermicelli and nuts in the pan. Stir well to combine. 5. Add the sugar and cardamom powder to the pan, and mix until the sugar is dissolved. 6. Reduce the heat to low, and let the vermicelli simmer in the milk, stirring occasionally, until the milk is absorbed and the vermicelli is cooked through. This should take about 10 to 12 minutes. 7. If using raisins, add them to the pan during the last few minutes of cooking. 8. Once the vermicelli is cooked and the milk is absorbed, remove the pan from the heat. 9. Garnish the sweet vermicelli with saffron strands, if desired, for added flavor and aroma. 10. Serve the sweet vermicelli hot or warm as a delicious dessert, or sweet treat during Ramadan or any special occasion. Enjoy your homemade sweet vermicelli Seviyan. I hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, so don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, plus don't forget to press the bell icon and on which recipe to make the next video. Please tell us in the comments section.